What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video, I'm so excited to share with you guys how you can get Backbone for free, alright? And this offer is only until 2nd of March, so go and grab it quickly. So if you guys want to know more about how to use Backbone or how I use Backbone, please let me know in the comment section. I will make a video about it, alright? So without further ado, let's jump right in. So this is where you can get the free copy of Steinberg Backbone. All you have to do is go to plugin boutique, alright, and then you can see that it's actually ending on 2nd of March. So go ahead and grab it as soon as you can, alright. Okay, this Steinberg Backbone is only free with your purchase for this month, right? So you can claim your free copy at checkout with any eligible purchase. So here is the important note. Any plans that you rent to own are not eligible for this Backbone, alright? And it's ending on the 2nd of March, so please be aware of that. So how it works, okay, make sure you have a registered plugin boutique account. So you have to register your account, and if you do not have an account, you can click here to register one, and you need to add any paid for product to your basket. This offer is not valid on free products, all right? And then you go and select the free gift and complete checkout, and don't use virtual cash or a coupon for the full amount of the transaction. So any amount less than 100% is still okay though. So I don't know what that means. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but if you guys do, let me know. Right, so important note again, if you already own the products in this offer, we are unable to provide an alternative product. Okay, so since I already have a Backbone, I cannot get this Backbone. I mean, I can get this Backbone, but it's not going to be any use because I already have a Backbone, right? Right, and then you cannot exchange your copy of this product for another product. Sadly, I can't get a replacement of this product. Right, so you cannot resell your copy of this product, remember that. You're eligible to claim one-time copy of the product in this promotion, alright? So only one time. So if let's say you bought something, some other plugin now, and you get this free Backbone, and if you purchase another plugin, you're not gonna get another one, alright? You can only claim one-time free product per transaction, but in the case of multiple free gift, you can redeem this offer in separate transaction until all free gifts are obtained. Okay, so why do you want to get Backbone? Okay, Backbone is a great drum design plugin, and not only that, it comes with a lot of great presets, alright? So if I go here, this is Backbone, I get Backbone, and then Backbone 1.1, and then I have all other library as well. So let's go and test some of the sound here. So Backbone library. That's kind of cool. Most of the time I use Backbone for film production, but there are some cases where I use Backbone to create my own drum sound, right? So let me check other presets. It's kind of cool. I love this bass. Sounds really good. Great sounding bass. That's kind of cool. So let's try other sounds. Bell. It's really cool. It's a great sound. Sounds really epic. That's nasty, bro. Right, so there are a lot of great sounding here. Bongo. Okay, and then we have boom. Ooh, I love that. It sounds nice. So there you go. There's a lot of great sounding presets here, and on top of that you can also create your own drum sound. So some of the cool things we can do with this is that you can create your own sound. So for instance, let's say you want this kick, right? So you can just click on this button here. Oh, let's remove it real quick. You can go ahead and create your own sound. See, that's cool. It's kind of cool actually. But you notice there's an effects going on, so you can actually turn on the effects and turn off the effects as well. So if we go here, you can click on the effects tab, and then we have some of the effects here. So currently the reverb is on. You can turn it off as well, right? And you can go here and add some of other effects. So for instance, maybe a distortion, right? You can increase it. Yeah, loop pass. So basically you can do a lot of things with this one plugin. All right, so don't miss this opportunity. Go and grab it right now from the plugin boutique, and the offer is until 2nd of March. Okay guys, I hope you guys find value in this video. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, smash the like button, and share this video to everybody you know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.